Namaskar, I am Samiksha Maralkar from Kathak Beats and I am here for the second part of the tutorial on the song Badal Pe Pav Hai from the movie Chak De India. I hope you all have referred to the previous tutorial. If you all haven't, I suggest you all go back to the first tutorial, learn the steps and then come back here and refer this one. The same set of instructions are to be followed. This choreography will be mirrored for you all, so no need to get confused. This will be your right and this will be your left. I hope you all enjoy it. So we ended our last tutorial on the jump. Let's start from there. The jump was on the lyric Badal. So it went like Badal. After that we have to do the connecting lyric which is Pav. So for that we first take our right leg ahead like this, tap it once. Then we tap the left leg. We bring back the right leg behind our left leg. We tap it once and again tap the left. While doing this, make sure on each of the leg you hop twice. So the step will be 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. We'll do it a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Now we do it in connection with the jump. So it goes Badal pe pav hai kya chhota. Okay. After this, for the connecting step, we have to drag our right leg in a circular motion and turn from our left hand side and face backward. The step will be 1, 2. We'll do it one more time. It will be 1 and 2. So after you're done with the Badal Pe Pav Hai step, you turn 1, 2 and immediately face backwards by making a mountain with both your hands. Now you will be making a mountain by joining both your fingers like this. So it's like Badal pe pav hai ya chhota gav hai. 1, 2. Now from here for the next step, for the leg movement we keep tapping them and we'll be on our toes. So it goes like this. For our hands, when your hands go up, make sure your body goes down. And when you bring your hands down, make sure your body goes up. So step will be 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to do the step twice. So with the count, after the turn, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll do it one more time. After the turn, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After you stop here, you have to take a turn from your left hand side and a full turn and come back to normal position. Now we'll do it once again but in a slower speed right from the jump. So it goes Badal pe pav hai ya chhota gav hai ab to bhai chal padi apni ye naam hai. So after you take the turn, you have to place your hands like this and both your shoulders go up like this on the lyric Badal. It goes Badal. After that, for pav hai, you have to tap your legs like 1, tap, 2, tap, 3, tap. Now as you can see, I tapped my right leg, touched it to my left hand, tapped my right leg again, touched it to my right hand. I tap my right leg once again. Now I'm touching my left hand from behind my left leg. Goes Badal pe pav hai ya chhota. Okay, a bit faster now. It goes Badal pe pav hai ya chhota. After you reach here, take your hand from the center to the side of your body. For right side, take it from the center. Take your hand to the right hand side. You do the same on the left hand side. Take your hand from the center and move it to the left hand side. You have to do this entire thing 4 times. So this goes 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now for this, for the leg movements, you have to do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 as we had already learned it before. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now after the step, we make sure left hand remains the same outside. Now we just take our right hand inside once, then take it outside, in and out. The leg movement for this step remains the same. like the previous one. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We went out, in, out, in. After which we take the left hand to our chest and we take our right hand near our waist. We show as if we are rowing a boat, and then our head goes 1, 2, 3, 4. It moves sideways. So it's like now hai. Okay. We'll do it from the jump of बादल पे पाँव है. So it goes बादल पे पाँव है, यहाँ छूटा गाँव है, अब तो मैं चल पड़ी, अपनी ये नाव है. बादल पे पाँव है, यहाँ छूटा गाँव, अब तो मैं चल पड़ी, ये अपनी ये नाव है. So we'll do it from बादल पे. 5, 6, 7 in a slow motion. 5, 6, 7, 8. बादल पे पाँव है, यहाँ छोटा गाँव है, अब तो भाई चल पड़ी, अपनी ये नाव है. 2, 3, 4. So after you're done with the now step, you have to take 4 spins. Now the 4 spins will be taken in 4 different directions. That is right, behind, left and ahead. So this is one set, and like this we'll be doing 2 sets. So there will be 1, 2, 3, 4 once, 1, 2, 3, 4 the second. So it goes like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll do it one more time, a bit slowly. 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We'll be doing the spins at a faster pace. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now after the spins, the leg movement for the next step are 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now as you can see, you have to first take your right leg behind your left leg, tap 1, tap your right leg, tap your left leg, and then right, left, right. You have to move with the right, left leg. The same thing you do on the other side. You take your left leg behind your right leg, tap it once, after which you tap the right leg, and then you do left, right, left, moving with it. We'll do it together. So it goes right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. We'll do it a bit faster. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now with this we'll be taking both our hands behind like this. So it goes 1, 2. For the 1, 2, 3, we'll be going towards our right hand side. Now I'll be placing my left hand like this and my right hand towards the direction I'm going. So it'll be 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. The same thing I'll be doing on my left hand side. So the hands will go like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. We'll do it one more time, slowly. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. After you're done with this step, you turn behind. Once you turn behind, from your left hand side, turn to the front, and while doing this, keep your left hand towards your chest. Take your right hand above like this. The same thing you do it on the right hand side. Turn from the right. Keep your right hand near your chest and take your left hand up. We'll be doing the same thing, but now for these 2 times, both the hands will be open. So it will be 3 and on the other side 4. So what we did is for the first 2 steps, the second hand was closed. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. We'll do it one more time slowly. 1, 2, 3 and 4. A bit faster. 1, 2, 3 and 4. After this step, I'll be first showing you the transition. So the step will go for the right hand. You'll be scooping it in an inward direction, like this. The same will go for the left hand. Now you do this step. While moving, you will take your right leg up, take it up, place it down, then do right, left, right. The same thing on the left side. Scoop, take it up, place it down, left, right, left. The step goes like 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3. Now we'll do it with the transition. So at that time you'll be facing backward. So after doing 1, 2, 3 and 4, goes 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3. We'll do it once again, but in a slower pace. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3. We'll do it in a faster pace. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay. After you're done with this step, the first thing for the left movement will be jump on your right, place your left leg behind your right leg. The same thing you'll be doing on your left side. Jump, place your right leg behind your left leg. So it goes jump, place, jump, place. We'll do it slowly. 1, 2, 3, start. Jump, place, jump, place. Now at a faster speed, jump, place, jump, place. With this, the hand movements, you'll be making a flower with your hand. You'll be spinning them like this. So first, we'll be making a flower on our left hand side, but we'll be hopping on our right hand side. So step will be 1, this, 1 here. When you're placing your left leg behind, your hand goes like this, from out to in. The same thing will be done on the left hand side. You'll make a flower on your right hand side. Take your hand like this. So it will be 1, 2. We'll be doing both the steps again now. 1, 2, 1, 2. We'll do it one more time. 1, 2, 1, 2. So after this step, we'll be doing 3 different poses. For the first pose, you'll be lunging on your left leg like this, extending your right leg out. For your left hand will be placed near your chin such that your palms are facing outside like this, and you'll be looking in the front. This will be your first pose. From here, you have to take your right hand such that you're showing your face from your left shoulder to your right shoulder. So from here 1, you take it here, lunge on your right leg. We do it one more time. 1 and then 2. When you come here, you have to place your right hand on your shoulder like this. The step will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. So after you are done here, for the third pose, you bring both your legs like this near each other, and you make a Hansasya pose with your fingers. You'll place it on your forehead like this, and your look will go from down to up. So the 3 poses go like 1, 2 and 3. Let's do all the steps in sequence that we have learned today. We'll start 5, 6, 7, 8. बादल पे पाँव है या छोटा गाँव है, अब तो मैं चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है. बादल पे पाँव है या छोटा गाँव है, अब तो मैं चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do the whole choreography from the start. On tutorial on this song. Do not forget to share your beautiful dance videos to our Instagram page Kathak Beats. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube, Facebook and Instagram channel Kathak Beats.